look.
Oh my God. Where are we at, brother?
We're in the streets.
The streets
The
of where?
streets of LA, brother. Brother, insane, bro. Look, Sammy passes you. Watch, I got more.
Yeah, I'm gonna need those.
This shit looks crazy.
If you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me and the guys on Instagram.
Brother.
Where are we at, Jose?
We outside tonight, you know. Payments outside. We out here in LA.
So right now we're in LA. Like just Hugo and Jose just said, we are on our way to go meet up, finding Nick and a whole bunch of the boys out there, David and the rest of them. James out, Ty, Sebi, Fractic, Jose. Is James. Ty's over there. So this is the last time you're probably gonna see Hugo in the vlog for a cool minute. He's moving back to LA, you guys. It's a sweet, bitter moment, but it's blessings all the way. To the sky, everybody's chasing their dreams. Everybody, you know how it goes, man. So Pavement Crew, which is Hugo's brand, is escorting him to LA. He's moving back with the boys over there and then continuing his life out there. That doesn't mean he's not gonna be around us at all. Obviously, we're grown adults. We can take trips out there. He takes trips back over there to see his family and stuff like that and the boys. But yeah, that means we're gonna be having a lot more LA videos coming soon. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. What we get into.
6 hours later.
Just like that, you guys, I'm always surrounded by people that I'm not supposed to be around with. All these damn BMWs, and I'm just the only one over there. James, which one's your favorite? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, he pulled up hard. He pulled up hard and parked up, and he was like, I got money. How does it feel back to be in your territory?
It's crazy, bro.
He's still. I can't believe that this nigga's really leaving us, huh?
I know, it feels like we just came out for the weekend.
Bro, we mobbed deep to drop this
y'all
nigga
back
off.
home, and then that's it.
That's when it's gonna kick in, like, you're not with us no more.
Go, Aries. Go, go, go.
Good, rev it. Rich baby daddy. Rev. Hey, can I do it once? I'm gonna go home. Alright, can I do it once? Let's do it.
Bro, it's a little. It's a little. Bro, it's a little ass kid. It looks like they're from prom or something. It looks like they're 14, 15 years old, bro. So crazy. This is like, for real, the LA life, bro. Fractic. He looks like he's your age, bro.
Yeah, they are,
Sure. How do you feel?
I don't know, man.
Our parents raised us wrong. No, to get Day 2. How do you feel?
Tired as fuck.
Yeah, boys, I'm tired.
Shit is not the move.
We slept on the floor at Nick's, and now I'm about to go to some BEAMER Asian thing. I guess they're hosting a pre-meet, so it's not until September. We got Jose. G.
So, G.
It's poppin', G.
Alright, G.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sleep on the floor tonight.
That was our Christian, yeah. That guy over there. Opening his mouth wide. Right there, wake up, brother. Bro, this thing is so crazy. So I'm pretty sure I could go in, but I'm not gonna go in because I don't want to hear these BMW guys. And the last time I was around BMW guys, they were assholes. So I just really just like whatever. But I'm hanging out with the boys. I kept my distance, you know. I don't know. My car looks good. It could be in there. But anyways, we're at some pre-meet BEAMER invasion thing. All you see is honestly, obviously BMWs, but G80s and F80s are crazy here. Like I kid you not, it looks like normal traffic here. Well, I'm not saying they're ugly, but there's so much that it looks like normal traffic. It's super crazy. So right now, I gotta look for Hugo and all of them because we got split up. Went to go pump gas. I was super low, and yeah, now we gotta catch up. Look, we got a G80 right here. I gotta see where the hell everybody is, but pretty cool venue. I found them. Here's Aaron's car, y'all. Aaron came down. Say hi. Ah! Sebby, Aaron, Amanda came too. Came and meet up the guys. We lost James a long time ago. Hey, bro, I gotta act like a BMW guy.
I made it. Look behind you.
I know, I see. Now I have to act like a BMW guy and just keep walking. I'm not gonna lie, this one is nice. This one's nice, Sebby. I agree. Triple cone TEs go perfect with white. What did you say? How much?
55.
55 for those? You guys think it's worth it? I don't think so. I don't think so. Definition of you got money on top of you got money, huh? Right? This is the definition of you having money and you having more money. Look. You see how big these rims are? You think those are cheap? You think those are cheap?
This costs more than my car.
What are those 20s?
Have you seen the one outside this car?
Those are 21s.
Have you seen the one?
Those are 21s. No. Oh.
All chrome.
No, those are BBSs with the gunmetal face.
Hey, have you seen the?
You got bigger rims than me. I'm a muscle car. Fractic.
Insane, bro.
You look like you're from Fresno.
White on white is crazy, bro.
Yeah, it looks fire.
White road cases too.
Sheesh, how do you guys feel about this? I really want to go to hard lines. Simple and clean, that's what I like. Simple and clean.
This setup.
Hard lines.
What is yours look like?
Like that. I just have rubber lines. I don't have hard lines. Hard lines is obviously you have to bend the freaking what you call it. But yeah, I really want to do something like that. Simple and clean. Maybe do some starlights in the back and stuff like that. So yeah, I need money though.
Hey, we gotta go, bro. We gotta go back to work,
Bro. I ain't even gonna say it on camera. Just like that, you guys. Craziness, right? Well, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. But look at the big crowd. They got one of the G80s that was, going hyphy. And now they got officers going around in the parking lots looking for the cars that they recorded. It's crazy how you know, a meet could end in hecticness. So the cops going around checking plates and stuff like that, and yeah, it's crazy. All right, y'all, we just got done eating. Now I don't know what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna take some pictures with Fractic, but as you guys can see, we got a whole bunch of nice cars. You know, came packed because of Nick, and then fresh kicks and stuff like that. Probably just gonna go chill. I don't know if all of them are going, but I know my boys. Hey. Pull your camera out. I mean, almost said something else. Ooh, like that Spider-Man moment. Stand in a triangle and point at each other. But anyways, yeah, we're just gonna go shoot some pics. I don't know if all of them are going. If they do, it's cool. But we got one photographer. I brought my camera just to bring it. I gotta be Fractic, because Fractic got a hard job today. Sucks that he can't get paid. Don't you wish that all these guys would just give you like $80 each? They have G80s, F80s and stuff like that, but they don't. They want free pictures, huh? Fucking little wieners. Like, look at this. It's Pro Charge, you guys. Pro Charged. And then G80. What is that? F82? F82. See, I'm not a Beamer guy, so I'm just here so I don't get fined. Right, James? I'm just here so I don't get fined. Huh? I'm just here so I don't get fined.
That's true.
Just like that, y'all. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this in a lot of videos and Instagram pics and stuff like that. It's a whole little vibe out here. You got people shooting music videos. You have people making out, probably getting head and stuff like that.
What did he say?
But it's a cool little scenery, and you have downtown LA right there in the background. Super fucking fire. Oh shit, Fractic! Last moments for Hugo, y'all. He's gone. No more 559. Hey, why are you in that G80 for? It's not yours, sir.
My new car, bro.
I know, that should make my fucking back scrape. Bye, Hugo! Love you too, brother.
I know, y'all really crazy, bro.
All right, brother. Later, bro. Peace out. Nice meeting y'all officially.
Be outside, though.
Hey, bring your clippers next time, bro.
I got you. All right, you guys. Bittersweet moment, but the homie Hugo is, you know, how do you say it? Living his dreams, you know, achieving his goals. Better in life, you know. He moving back to LA. You know, he got a good opportunity out here. He's gonna go ahead and fulfill his dream. And yeah, so the guys came out here. Me, Sebi, Jose, James, Fractic, Ty, all of us came out here, and Aaron, to show him love, you know, show him that we do care. You know, we're sad that he's leaving because, you know, he was a good vibes all the time, but that doesn't mean that we're not gonna be kicking with him. It's just he's gonna be living out here now, so we won't see him as much. Hugo, I know if you're watching this, brother, we love you. Stay positive. No matter what it is, just give us a call if anything, brother. We're always here for you. Yeah, man. Let's have a good one. Peace out. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all, if you want to see more videos like this. I'll take more trips to LA.
You gotta go past that.
You're tripping, bro.